If God willing, through this video, we will learn about the specifications and contents of the case and the price of the Vivo Y58 phone that supports 5G services in the mid-price category. Let's get to the details. Welcome back. We'll start with the normal specifications of the Vivo Y58 and start with the design. The back and frame of the phone are plastic and the front end is glass. The weight of the phone: 199 grams. The thickness is 8 mm. Length 165.7 mm. Width 76 mm. The phone is waterproof and dustproof with an IP64 rating. It supports 2 5G SIM cards and supports the installation of a memory card. It also supports the fingerprint on the power button and supports the face. It supports the OTG file transfer function. The phone supports the headphone jack. It supports photo, video and document editor. As for the Android 14 operating system with the FunTouch OS 14 interface. Phone colors: green and blue. Battery: 6000 mAh with 44 watts fast charger and Type-C charging port. Storage space: 8 GB RAM and 128 GB. The phone supports the installation of a memory card, and the RAM is doubled through the software. Screen: IPS LCD with a size of 6.7 in Full HD++ quality with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a pixel density of 393 pixels per inch, and the brightness is 1024 nits. It supports night mode and eye protection. As for the processor in Vivo Y58, Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 octa-core with 4 nm manufacturing technology, and Adreno 613 graphics processor. Cameras. First, the front camera. It has a resolution of 8 megapixel with a 2.1 aperture and supports shooting videos in Full HD at a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. As for the rear cameras, dual lens with LED flash. The first camera has a resolution of 50 MP with an aperture of 1.8. The second camera is 2 MP for isolation with a 2.4 aperture. The rear camera supports HDR, night photography and 1080p Full HD video shooting with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. The contents of the phone case. The phone has a security screen. Charger head. USB Type-C cable. Pod. Metal pin. Instructions for use. Warranty certificate. Summary to know if the phone is worth buying or not. For the middle price category, the phone offers good performance in any uses such as the internet or browsing videos and images. The phone in heavy games such as PUBG, Free Fire, or high graphics games in general offers great and fast performance. In photography, the phone offers excellent performance with high quality and consistent colors. The battery lasts for a long time in all uses throughout the day and charges 100% in a very short time. As for the price of the Vivo Y58, for 8 GB RAM and 128 GB, about $247. These are the prices of the phone in US dollars after its release in some global markets. It is possible and likely, my friends, that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. Each country has its economic conditions. So we have finished the video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, do not skimp on support. Like it, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook.